Is your external component the Zlib.dll not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish those vital software links. This DLL file is a foundational data compression library. It is widely used by applications for real-time data deflation and inflation, providing a balance between high compression ratios and low memory usage. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. The Zlib.dll is a third-party application file associated with parent software suite, the software where you encountered your error. Performing a clean reinstall of the latest version of the application will restore the correct version of this file. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Zlib module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install the Zlib.dll into directories where it doesn't belong. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. A maintenance path for the Zlib module and system optimization is outlined in the diagnostic resource linked below. If this fix repaired the parent software suite dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.